What is going on, guys? I'm Massey-Ferguson, and today we're back with the 420C. We just went through the ordeal of forking it back into the shop, which is a lot of fun actually. Has a lot of weight on the front end of this thing. So we're gonna solve the weight problem today. The loader is coming off.
Weight reduction 101.
Weight reduction 101, because race tractor, as always. And not only is the loader coming off, the engine's coming out.
We're putting the 5.3 out of the Yukon.
From the Yukon.
Good.
Good.
Twin turbo.
That is that's nearly 10 times more horsepower, I would guess. So it shouldn't be a problem. Joey's going straight for the big guns here. We couldn't get these bolts loose for the loader back here, so he's just gonna cut straight through them and just cut right through the threads there in the middle, and we should be able to get this off. First hydraulic hose is off the cylinder over here. We're ready to pull that through the other side. These things are stiff. We got all the fluid out of it.
Oh my gosh.
So we're trying to get the hydraulic pump off so we can get the engine out. That's gonna be a fun one. It's got this whole bracket. Pump has to be unbolted. But somebody used a wing nut style worm hose clamp. So I'm just in here working upside down, trying to get this hose clamp loose. Are you taking the belly pan off?
Yeah. You're trying to...
Oh, that one's stuck. Need a big ratchet.
Well...
See if the Milwaukee fuel can do it now. Got it.
You good?
Yep. Pull back though. There it is. Wow. It's like a brand new part. All right, belly pan is off. That thing's a beast. Onto the loader. Anything?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. Ooh. All the hydraulic lines are off the pump now. Radiator's coming out. Pulling the radiator core support there so we don't smash it with the loader. We definitely do not want to smash this radiator. It's original. And brass. And brass. Bottom front. There you go. Awesome. It's time for the loader to separate from the tractor. I like this rigging here.
Thank you.
It's real nice. Oh, did you do that?
No, but I directed.
Joey did.
Tell me how great the job on it.
Oh, that's good. Encouragement. Teamwork. Man, that's nice.
He's got a mouse in his pocket.
Who bought this one?
I bought the smaller version.
I like it. Watch out. Come on in. Hey. She's clearing. Oh, nice catch.
I don't know if I helped.
No, that was perfect. On that. You cleared that fitting.
Yeah.
I should have pulled that other hose. We got it off the front, but we sure couldn't get it off the other side. Now that is a very different tractor. Wow. This thing's tight. Whoa. Man, this one doesn't want any at all. It is not coming out. Just keep grinding on it. We can turn the hydraulic. Now, time to drop the front off. We're throwing some knocker loose on the generator bolts here.
because I worked at loose.
That is true, huh? Zach hopped in there with that little wrench and it was done. Oh, he's gonna do it now.
The old double wrench power. Works like a charm.
Cooling fan coming off. Well, while they're over there grinding away, let's get this last water pump hose off. That didn't go too badly. Another hose bites the dust. Here's the ridge in the cylinder that everybody thinks we can just knock out with a little bit of diesel fuel. Okay. Oh man, look at that. Wow, we can really see it in there. That thing is deep. Front end coming off, awesome. Hydraulic pump seemed great.
Hey.
That's some nice cast iron you got there.
Wrench drop.
You can't put that on there.
Pick up my wrenches.
People are gonna be like, why'd you tear up a snap-on wrench?
It's not a snap-on. It's a snap-on wrench.
What, did you think it was Craftsman since we always buy Craftsman?
Yes.
There's our lift point. Engine pulling time. We're getting the sockets set up for the impacts. We're gonna grab a forklift, stick this chain on it, give it a little lift, and pop all these bolts loose. Shouldn't be a problem. Okay. Yeah, down here. Right about there.
This is kind of in the way.
Yep, she's loose.
Might have to pull it outward.
Yeah, we definitely have to go this way.
So, yeah, side
With a little bit of wiggle. All right, it's coming. Try going down a little bit. There. Back up. There. All right, now give us a little pull. Nope.
Yeah, you're coming out crooked. You need to come back up just a little.
Yeah, it's pulling my way instead of Joey's way.
So if you back up, then it'll
Can you fork shift sideways?
fork shift back this way.
No, other way.
Right there.
Right there. So here's the thing, you need to go back and fork shift towards Joey. Oop.
Yeah.
Just back up a little bit. Fork shift towards Joey. Oh.
Something's tight. You need to go down, I think.
Yeah, maybe down a little.
It's twisting towards Joey right now.
What about that pry bar?
Hey, bring your forks back this way. Keep coming.
Yeah. So it needs pride. Meh. No big deal. All right. Back up a little bit. There you go. Gucci. Yeah, that started eating that thing out. Oh yeah. It's gonna need a flywheel. What? At least the ring gear on the flywheel is trash. Oh yeah, the starter ate it alive. Success! The engine is out. Now, we just have to disassemble it and push these pistons out. We can deal with this huge ring in that cylinder.
The starter teeth look all right. Better than the flywheel, that's for sure.
Well, I would say that is a successful day. Also, it'll be much easier to lift the crawler now. So the next video about the 420 will be us pulling the engine apart. We're gonna press those pistons out, fix that cylinder, probably send it over to the machine shop. We're gonna have it bored, what? It's like 0.125 over for the piston kit?
So I don't know if 0.125 will actually clean up or not.
It is deep. It is a very deep scoring inside that cylinder.
It's deep enough that we might have to re-sleeve it.
Find liners or sleeves, yeah. Well, on that bombshell, that is it for today, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I will talk to you next time. You have to pick up the whole crawler by yourself. 2 hours max.
Give me a forklift.
Zach solved the challenge.